Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.5 on PopOS 22. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with PopOS, that is Firefox. Go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 17.5. Click on download, then click on Linux. See here we don't have the PopOS, but open terminal /etc os-release. See its ID is like so click on Ubuntu and its version number is 22.04. See its Ubuntu code name is Jemmy. Okay, so PostgreSQL apt repository supports for Jemmy 22.04 LTS. Okay, so we have to execute these commands one by one. Copy this one. It is going to install curl and CA certificates. Ctrl L to clear screen. Paste it. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already installed. Ctrl L. Now import repository signing key. Now we have to run both these commands at a time. Copy up to the end, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. It is done. Ctrl A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. So we have to run the command sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you don't give the version number, it will install the latest version. If you want to install 16, give the 16. Okay. See here, you have to give -16. If you want to install 17, give 17. But if you want to install the latest version, don't give any version number and hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and also see here these are the default values that configured, like max connections 200, shared buffer to 128 megabytes, time zone and other options. Okay, Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL is installed and it is active and running, and also it is enabled. Okay, go to quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, you have successfully connected. This is client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. So to verify the version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17. Go to quit. Ctrl A. Now verify the list of before that, the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is /tuc Postgres. Okay, or we can get the list of the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, we have only one user. Set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. We have successfully set the password. Now verify the list of the databases. See, these are the default databases, or we can get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Let us create a database. Create database. Now verify again. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database by using the command \c or \connect. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Verify list of tables. We don't have any tables. Let us create a table. See, we have created table. Okay. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Control A. Now create user. See, we have created user. Now exit from PostgreSQL and connect with this new user. To exit, you have to use \q. PSQL -h means hostname. PostgreSQL is installed on this PC, so I'm giving localhost. You can give IP or hostname. You must be caps. Then provide the new username, that is David-D. Then provide the database name. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges for this table. Okay, so we must grant the privileges. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Pop! OS 22. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Sudo control A, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Enter. It is started, so stop it. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, you can also verify it by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, you are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So exit from this Postgres user. Start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. It is typo. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 4 seconds ago. Control L. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. We have successfully restarted. See, okay. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or dbeaver. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both pgadmin or dbeaver on Linux operating systems. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17 on Pop! OS 22. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.